Welcome to Duval County, coming to you from my garage, because it's the only place where I can get some peace and quiet. Why don't y'all come do this laundry out here? Alright, this GMC Acadia's got a big old dent in the hatch. I'm taking this thing apart, that little button, boom, little thingy thing. This interior trim comes off, not too hard. It's one trick is you pull from the top first, not from the bottom, but pull from the top first, that thing comes off easier. And this thing was difficult for a few reasons. One, that impact point on that body line, man, that was deep, man. And then there was also impact right on the bottom edge, and that was very difficult to get out. I'll show you a specialty tool that I use, but look, I'm gluing the mess out of these ratchet straps. And I got that sucker ratcheted to a tree. The other one I got ratcheted to these heavy duty hinges on the hatch of that car. I can't remember what it was. I am putting a fulcrum installed with those vice grips, heating it up. Remember, you got to heat these things up, man, so that paint don't crack. This is the Edge Jack XL Shane Jacks. I think it's probably like blendinghammer.com. That's his hammer too. Shane Jacks jackhammer. All right. Just hammering that joker. Tons of smile to work with. Believe it or not, man, that tension, it just causes that thing to come up so much easier with a lot less effort. All right. Looks like I'm getting to the end, releasing it. That's 91% isopropyl alcohol. That's one of the top questions I get is, what do you put on there to release the glue? 91% isopropyl alcohol. Wet sanded and buffed that thing. Man, she looks pretty good. She ain't perfect though. All right, catch y'all next time.